The advantages of raised beds in the vegetable garden. Do you dream of a lush, thriving vegetable garden but struggle with poor soil, pests, or back-breaking work? Raised beds might be the game changer you've been searching for. Stick around, and we'll unveil how they revolutionize gardening while giving your veggies their best shot at flourishing. Raised beds are simply elevated garden plots framed by materials like wood or stone. They're filled with nutrient-rich soil, offering gardeners better control over growing conditions. This design not only looks elegant, but also solves several challenges traditional gardening can address. Let's explore why raised beds are a game changer. The biggest win? Soil control. With raised beds, you can customize the soil mix to ensure it's nutrient-dense and free from contaminants. Good soil equals healthy vegetables and bountiful harvests. Plus, soil stays loose and aerated in these contained spaces, promoting better root growth. Say goodbye to waterlogged gardens. Raised beds drain excess water effortlessly. Their elevated structure prevents pooling, keeping your plants healthy and your garden from becoming a swamp after heavy rains. Drainage control also means no more worrying about root rot or oversaturated soil. Weeding? A chore of the past. Raised beds minimize weed growth since you control the soil added. Plus, pests find it harder to access your veggies, creating a natural barrier from common threats. You'll spend less time weeding and worrying and more time harvesting and enjoying. Raised beds warm up faster in the spring, letting you plant earlier. Their design ensures optimal soil temperatures, extending your growing season. Imagine fresh greens when others are just starting to dig in. Seasonal flexibility is one of the most underrated superpowers of raised beds. No more bending or kneeling for hours. Raised beds keep gardening comfortable and accessible for gardeners of all ages and abilities. The elevated design means less strain and back pain. From small balconies to sprawling landscapes, they're perfect for any space or gardener. Raised beds foster ideal growing environments. With controlled soil, watering, and fewer pests, plants grow stronger and healthier. This means more veggies per square foot and tastier harvests. Raised beds are your secret weapon for a garden that delivers year after year. Whether you're building a backyard farm or gardening on a balcony, raised beds adapt to fit your environment. From small urban plots to expansive rural lands, their customizable sizes and shapes make them incredibly versatile for all gardeners. Love the environment? Raised beds can be crafted with eco-friendly, durable materials like recycled wood or stone. Properly maintained, they last for years, saving money and reducing waste. They're an investment in both your gardens and the planet's future. Beauty meets practicality. Raised beds create visually organized gardens that are easier to manage. Arrange them to frame your yard beautifully or use them to maximize limited space. They turn vegetable gardening into an art form, elevating both design and productivity. Ready to transform your garden? It's time to implement what you've learned. Build or buy raised beds, prep that nutrient-rich soil, and start planting. Don't wait for the perfect day. Make today the start of your raised bed journey. Subscribe, share, and let's grow your dream garden together.